In this series about psychic attack, we are going to ask Yogi Buddhadeva that what is exactly a psychic attack? Is it just sending a bad thought to someone or somebody is sending bad thought to you? Is this called psychic attack or what exactly is psychic attack? So hi, we are from yogastvidya.rishikesh.com and our motto is being blissful being. We help people to awaken their consciousness and stay yogas, which means stay wisdomful, blissful, and creative eternally. So, Yogi Buddhadev ji, please give us some insights about what is a psychic attack.
Yoga. Psychic attack. In this term, we find two words. One is psyche and one is attack. Psyche, as you understand, psyche is our consciousness, our mind, our internal nature. And whatever attacks our psyche, our internal nature, our emotional being, our psychological personality must be known as psychic attack. And that psychic attack, yes, this should be understood very properly, can come from within you and can also come from any other external source or external forces, I would say, or from other persons, living and maybe non-living sometimes. By non-living, I mean some spirits, some negativity in universe, some bad vibes or energy around. I'm talking about that. But mostly the psychic attacks, they come from other persons. Like we live in Kali Yuga, and this is the world of competition. This is the world of jealousies. This is the world of cutthroat competition, I would say. Everybody wants to go to the zenith of success. Everybody wants to earn a lot of money, fame, wants to achieve success. And while doing so, the person sometimes forgets the moral values or the ethical path or the, a proper path to follow. They go other way around. And if you cannot achieve your goals that way, you attack others psychically. It happens. But yes, please.
So, sir, if may I ask here that let's say I am looking very handsome or I am very successful, then is it possible that unconsciously people are attacking me psychically?
Yes, of course. And I tell you very frankly, please don't take it otherwisely. Not only other person, maybe some member in your family may be jealous of you. Maybe your brother or even your wife can be. Oh, he's so handsome. Everywhere he goes with me, the ladies come around and anything can happen. So these are milder kind of psychic attack. The psychic attack should be understood that anything that is say scornful, that is sarcasm, that is you say somebody is frowning or somebody is disliking, it is not found only in deep hearted hatred or animosity or something like. There are milder forms of psychic attack also we face and we encounter on a daily life basis. Your friend may be giving you psychic attack. Your wife, your family members may be giving you psychic attack. Even your neighbor may be giving you psychic attack. Oh, he has bought a new car.
And so if I'm a YouTube celebrity, then people who are watching my videos, they might be also giving a psychic attack.
Exactly. And you should be careful about it. As because so many people, many people are admiring you, appreciating you, liking you, loving you, but there might be some who are jealous of your success. There might be some who are not liking you. There might be some who would be having a kind of hatred with you. So they will be giving you psychic attack because, see, giving psychic attack or receiving psychic attack, it involves one thing in common, and that is thought vibration. Understand? Because thought is also born of energy, no? Thought is also energy. And it travels. You cannot see the gravitational force, electromagnetic force, sound waves or something. How can you see the thought vibration? So giving or sending a thought to you whether consciously or unconsciously, will reach you. You cannot even see the waves of the mobile phones coming from a tower, but your mobile rings. So these thought vibration definitely travel to your mind, to your psyche, and then you are attacked. It happens this. And you should also know that psychic attack is actually an emotion, a feeling, which may be involving word, maybe verbal, or maybe mental. If you are not liking somebody, if you are not loving somebody, you will be jealous, you would be feeling hatred, you will be feeling enmity. These all are psychic attacks, and they definitely affect you until unless you are well protected, or you know how to throw away these psychic attacks, and you can defend yourself.
So, thank you very much, sir, for explaining a little bit about psychic attack. Definitely, people will have to go through a workshop to understand the complete details of psychic attack. So, we hope that the audience have got some clarity that what psychic attack is and who is getting these psychic attack. In detail, we will discuss about who are prone to psychic attack in our next video. So if you like our video, you can like and subscribe our channel and keep watching this series. Thank you very much for watching, and we see you next time.
You're most welcome.